Hello and good afternoon. Today is a very special day for me, so I want to dedicate this day to Olivier Giroud. He is no longer a Chelsea player. In fact, he signed for AC Milan. So, first of all, I want to wish him all the best with his career, and I really hope he will score a lot of goals for AC Milan. And AC Milan already have some amazing players like they have Zlatan Ibrahimovic, and they also used to have Donnarumma, but he signed for PSG this season. So Simon Kjær of Denmark, the Danish captain, he is also in for AC Milan. Yeah, and even Timori, Fakio Timori of Chelsea, he also previously signed for AC Milan. So they have some fantastic players, and I am sure Giroud will be a good partner with Ibrahimovic, and I really hope they will score a lot of goals for AC Milan, and maybe they AC Milan maybe win the Serie A, who knows? But I really wish him good luck. But to be honest, I am very disappointed. The moment Chelsea won the Champions League this year, May 30th, I was very happy. And when Marina told that uh, Willy Cavallero, the goalkeeper, will leave, and but Olivier Giroud, he signed extended his contract by 1 year. I was very happy. I was really very happy because I will see him in Chelsea color for 1 more year, and I know that he will not get that much opportunity. But even if he is playing 7 to 8 games, including FA Cup, Champions League, and Premier League, and Carabao Cup, it will be really nice to see him because I just love him. I just love him the way he plays, and he is not arrogant, and he never bully other opponents. He is always friendly and try to help their teammates and even other players. Sometimes even he get fouls. Sometimes frustration may come, but in general he is very nice. And Benzema criticized him, go kart versus Ferrari, and he forgive him. And this Euro, even Mbappe was not passing the ball to him, and even he bring a media to talk about Giroud. Giroud forgave him. So Giroud is a fantastic player, and Chelsea will really miss him. To be honest, Chelsea are now searching for a striker and a real forward because Timo Werner was not that successful in his first season. But if to be honest, they sell Giroud for 1 million or something, 1.7 million. But if he was in for Chelsea, and they would have used him as a main striker, or even as a secondary striker, I am sure he would have scored more than 15 goals at least, if not 20, at least 15 goals. If you remember the previous season, not this past season, but previous season, when Norwich City were playing in the Champions League, uh, at that time Chelsea were very shortage of striker. They don't know whom to use, and they use Giroud in the second part of the season. uh, after lockdown in 2020, when Premier League was closed for 3 months from March to June, when the Premier League resumed into 2020, June 2020, Chelsea used him as their main striker, and he single-handedly scored many goal. Even in the last day against Wolves, he scored 1 goal, and other one was scored by Mason Mount, I guess. Chelsea won 2-0, and finished with 66 points. Not this season, but their previous season against Norwich City, 1-0. 1-0. Giroud scored the header. Chelsea got 3 important points, and Frank Lampard was nervous because Norwich were also playing. Even they were in relegation zone, they are playing really well. So, and against Liverpool, Liverpool were 3-0 up against Chelsea, and just before halftime, Giroud scored 3-1. Then they scored. Then Chelsea again scored twice. Tammy Abraham scored, and then Christian Pulisic scored. 4-3, and then there another player scored and it became 5-3. But when it was Liverpool 4 Chelsea 3, there are still 15 minutes left and Chelsea still had a hope. It was the 37th game of that Premier League season. Anyways, so my point is, Giroud has scored many. Whenever he has got the opportunity, he has scored. Against Sevilla, he scored in the 90th minute to make it 2-1 win for Chelsea. He scored 4 goals, not 1, 2, 3, but 4 Champions League goals. And amazing stunner against Atletico Madrid in the first leg. So he has scored some amazing goal for Chelsea, and with Chelsea he has won FA Cup, he has won the uh, Champions League, and also the Europa League. And he won the Europa League against his former club Arsenal. And with Arsenal he has also won 3 FA Cups. And not to forget, between these FA Cups and Chelsea's 3 trophies, Europa, Champions League and FA Cup, he has also won the FIFA World Cup with France in 2018. And back in 2012, when he was playing with Montpellier, he has won the French Cup with Montpellier in 2012. So it is safe to say that he is very underrated. One of the amazing striker, not just in Europe but all over the world. He is an amazing striker, but just he don't show off, and he is very underrated. So I feel very disappointed. That I cannot see him anymore in the Chelsea color, and I feel very sad. And I wish him all the best, and I hope he will play very well in AC Milan, and I will be watching his games. And so that's all for that. Thank you.